When measuring assembly parts, we may want to evaluate each of the component locations. It can be a very tedious task organizing the root cause browser by component so that we can do this. CheckMate has enhanced the root cause browser population process by automatically creating root cause browser groups based on the solid bodies of each of the components. You can see that on the left side, each component has been organized into its own CAD body. So firing up the root cause browser and going into Settings and then selecting Advanced takes us to the Advanced Populating screen. Selecting the component option on the left, CheckMate shows the groups that are going to be created. Then we select the Populate button to create those groups in the root cause browser and populates them with their associated reporting entities automatically. Complete details and rules can be found in the CheckMate help notes. Thanks for watching and have a great day.